Yeah, welcome again. So it's 10th of March 2026, and as usual, we'll be going through our Nasdaq as always. The goal is checking how we play out today, okay? So how are you doing? I hope you're doing great, bro. So I'm still bullish on this Nasdaq asset, okay? Like intraday bullish, so the targets are these ones here. We have this target over here, and we can clearly see we've reacted inside this fair value gap, right? And we've retested this wickless candle. You can see it does not have any wick, okay? So there was no any type of trading around there, so that's why price came down there, okay? So let's go to the 5 minutes. It will give us like everything that we need, okay? So in the 5 minutes you can see like this is the candle that that retested this area. Like let's mark out this candle, like the wicks. Let's mark the wicks. Yeah, you can see the wicks are clear. That's the start of the wick. This is the where the wick the high end and the low end of that wick, okay? I selected that candle because you can see this is the like big bearish candle that we got before this move up, okay? And you can clearly see that we didn't take out this low, but we came below this other low, okay? Did we take out this low? No, we did not take that low out. So it's very safe to say like we can come up to this point. We don't need like high like big runners for now, okay? You don't need big runners. That's around 200 points. Let's go to the 3 minutes and see that we have a break around that point. This place here, it's a place you can buy. You can go long around this place, and like your stop loss should be around this area. Then you should target around that. That's a 2R, okay? That's a 2R. Yeah, we can buy around that area. Let's buy. Reconnection. Yeah, we just want a retest to this place here. I don't know, I think we already bought or something. Let's see. Let's go back to trading view. Yeah, this is a breaker over here. We have a breaker. You can see all these big beefy candle around here. This is a breaker, okay? And that breaker can be used like as an entry, okay? Let's go to the 1 minute time frame so that we can see here if we can retest that area once more. We can buy. If we take this low, it's a good indication to buy, okay? Let's wait for trade locker to open so that we can buy. should be bought. Yeah, why are they taking long to like load, man? Like, we need to be buying. Okay, we need to be buying. All right, we bought around there. Hope it already reflects. Like, yo, yeah, we bought around there. So let's like use the 3 minutes time frame. Yeah, I need for this to go up to this area. Okay, so that's my 2R over here. You can see it's clear. We will get a 2R if we get to TP. Let's go back to this. Like, yo, 3 minutes. Why are you loading slow? Like, I don't understand why trade locker is so slow. Like, yo, it's so slow. We need to do something about this. Like, I don't know. Because I'm already on, like I'm on, like my trade is running, but you can see MTM. I don't know. I think it's either TradingView is fast or the servers that I'm using, they're slow. Okay, but no worries. Let's try like reloading once more. Yeah, I need to see like big, like, yeah, that type of thing. I need to see it go fast to the TP. Okay, I need to see it go fast to the TP. All right. Let's reload maybe. You know, yeah, reloading. Let's watch via TradingView. You can see we are playing around this area so much, back and forth, but I'm so certain about this area. Like, I think we'll go to these targets. Like, these highs are so equal, like they're so equal. Like, it's around how many points? Let's see. In total, like 146 points there. And since this is our entry, we entered around that area, so our stop loss will be around this area. So it's basically a 1R trade. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yo, I hope I bought, because why is it in losses? I don't understand. Like, I hope we bought. I really hope we bought, man. Yo, my positions. Where are my positions? We should be floating. Like, goddamn, we just fuck this. Yo, like, this bullshit, man. This is total bullshit. This trade locker thing is messing with my trades for real. Like, we are bullish. Like, yeah. Yeah, goddamn, we are bullish. Like, yo, what the fuck just happened, bro? Like, damn. Did I just press like a sell when waiting for a buy? This is crazy. This is crazy, like this is crazy, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. That's why I love these things being fast. I don't like trading with small, like I mean slow platforms. Like I guess trade locker is slow. I guess trade locker is slow compared to like trading view, right? So I'll just like I just spectate from the side, because like goddamn, that was a stupid loss, man. That was a stupid loss. Like I was intending to like buy around this point, but I don't know how I pressed the sell. I guess just some confusion, but it's all right, no problem. It's just a $60 loss, and it's a prop firm. Yo, what just happened again? I think I'll try switching back to like C trader or something, or even MT5, because this trade locker thing, yo, I'm not feeling it. Like I don't think that my internet is slow, because I've tried working on that. So I guess they're generally just slow, but no worries. I can always switch to another type of like data provider. Okay. So my target, I'm aiming for this area here. I'm aiming for this area, and you can see. And we're using the 3-minute breaker. We're using the 3-minute breaker. You can see this is the breaker here. So entries around here, targets around there. That's a 2.27 R. 2.27 R. So I guess we'll keep going up. We'll keep going up. You can see in the 15 minutes how price reacted off that the area that we've marked, like these two. It was the 5 minute, not the 15. You can see how it reacted well. Like, yeah, this 15 minute we marked this area, then we dropped into the 3-minute time frame, and we were like, yeah, we want for it to react, and true to our words, it came back to that area, those two lines, then started going up. Yo, this is clean. So yeah, right here someone can take some partials. You can see we've taken out this liquidity. One can take a partial and perhaps wait for price to retrace back again, because I think we can come up to this area there, this area that I've marked around here. That's a very logical place to come back to. You know, man, that today's loss was a very stupid loss. I didn't know that I just sold. In my head, like I knew, like, yeah, I've already bought, but only to see like the profit, like, it's not going up. I was seeing like it's 10, 20, like, yo, that's not cool. But let's not dwell into that. Like, let's keep going. Okay, I'm still getting everything in order, like the streaming things. Like, I'll take time before I adjust to everything, but once I adjust, we'll be fine to go, bro. Like, it will be an everyday thing, so no worries, no rush. We have the whole year together. Okay, so my target, we have my target over here. This is my target, my entry around this area, this breaker, 3 minutes breaker, 3 minutes breaker. I think we're going for that high. I think we're really going for that high. We're really going for that high, and I'm very convinced about that. Okay, yeah, let's check out the 1 minute. Let's check out the 1 minute. Yeah, that's it. Like, yeah. But I'd love to see this one drop back to this area here before we get to this high, because I know some people are chasing this buy, and we don't trade the same way with other people. When they're chasing, We are not chasing, we're just waiting for them to react like impulsively, okay? Because right now I know some people are buying this thing, okay? If I didn't buy here, I wouldn't buy around this area, because first of all, we've taken out this liquidity, okay? So I wouldn't try buying around this area, because they might try to tank this thing to engineer more liquidity, okay? Because once it starts going down, some other people will try selling it, okay? And that's engineering liquidity basically, right? So once they start tanking, perhaps they'll give us an opportunity to liquidate that stupid loss that we took around a few minutes ago, okay? And I hope this trade locker thing, like, look at this trade locker thing. It loads so slow, like for real. Tell me, let's say I want to take a trade faster, like at the moment, how can I take it? So I think my people need to work on their trading platform well, because it's either it's me or it's them. But I think, like, yo, look at it. Trading is working fine, yo, right? So I think we just hit that TP, like we're about to hit that TP. Yesterday and today we had some good runs. Yesterday it was so fine. Today I'll just stream, I'll just be watching here with you guys without doing anything, because I really wanted to catch this trade, but I don't think it will be possible, okay? I don't think it will be possible. So I'll just read it from the side around here, then from there onwards we'll have to watch, no problem. Like, yeah, here we go. So we have a giveaway. Actually, we have a giveaway. This was such a nice trade, like going upwards. It was so cool, it was so nice, even though we participated, but I can't explain. So I really want them to come to tank down. I want to like mitigate that small loss that we took here. I don't know why we sold around this area while we were clearly buying in our minds, but it's no problem. Yeah, have a long year. We have a very long year, and we'll do it like very finely. Yeah, give us that tank, one more tank to around this region here. If you can come to around this area, we can buy it again, okay? We can buy it. That will be the second entry, okay? We can get another entry, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. If it comes around there, bruh, I'm buying. if it comes here, I'm buying. Yo, I'm buying. Lately, Nasdaq has not been trading well, but I guess it was because NFP. It was because of NFP, I guess. Yo, this wasn't cool. Like, yo. Okay, get to the target then get to the target. It's all right, no problem. but we've taken out this high over here, and we've taken out this high, and this high is so close, but I don't think we can take it. Then we can take the highs because we have two equal lows, or two equal highs. I mean, we have two equal highs above this area. So, but I'd love to see it before going up, coming down first, then going up later. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. If we have something that we can maybe anticipate for it to come retest, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I think in the 15 minutes we have something. So we'll wait for this 15 minutes candle to close, okay? In the next like 12 minutes. Once it closes, we'll get a clear indication of what it wants to do, because this opens a whole new other perspective, okay? Okay, so at exact this area, we're restructuring to go in and buy, okay? So I hope they come to this area, because why not? Because why not? Let's mark the area again. You can see how these wicks are very sensitive to price. You can see them, right? Right. Yes, now I want price to come around this area. If we get a retest around this area, we will anticipate the continuation upwards, okay? So let's go to the lower time frames and see what we've got around there. Yeah, it's a breaker. It's still a breaker, okay? But I'm anticipating for the 15 minutes fair value gap to form, so that I can use it to go upwards, okay? Still early, it's 10:49 New York time, so we still got opportunities coming. Yo, bro, can see you there. Big ups, bro. Big ups, bro. Tesh Motesh, I can see you, bro. Diamond, we're on. Yo, we're going to TP at Risha Shuka. God damn. It's alright, no problem. No problem. God damn. I hope this form just loaded, man. God damn it, man. I hope there won't be this type of slow coming tomorrow and other days, okay? Because this is so frustrating. But no worries. It's not the last day of trading. How many points were those? Let's go back to trading view. 1 minute. Let's see how many points were those. This was the area around this area. So how many points were those? Let's see. Up to the TP, 124. Clean. That's clean. We'll still keep watching them. So I don't see the need for buying around this area. I don't see the need to buy around this area. Once we take out this high, I'll be flat. I won't be looking for any other thing to trade. Okay. So these are full target. You can see from once we were around this area. You can see these people. These people can now reconnect really fine. Let's see if they worked on this site, because I just contacted them. Yo. I guess it's my network. I guess it's my network. At this range, I guess it's my internet connection. Okay, let's go back to like trading view, the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, this is the 1 minute time frame over here. So and can they like give us like two big candles to the upside? Like, yeah, we're going for this, we're going for this, we're going for these highs. Don't think we can leave this high around this area, but you never know with Nasdaq. You never know, like you can see how they're throwing this week around this high, little high over here. You can see them tank it fast, come to this area of interest, then go to the TP. Now I don't think these people do things normally, or the trading or the market movers. I don't think they trade normally. Like they can't just say like, let's go to that high. They are not that stupid, okay? They must like play with our minds. They must play with our minds before anything else. Like, they have to tank it to discount, then take it to premium. Whenever people are chasing it, yeah, you may buy for sometimes. Let us take it to like, yeah, discount, okay? But yet again, you can see this run was so quick. Like, this run is so swift. Like, it's so swift. We didn't have any form of like resistance going up. It was just going up like well, and in a neat way, in a neat manner. Okay, see, so beautiful, man. So beautiful to see unfold. Even if we made just a mistake, of which it's normal, we are human, but it's a mistake that should not be tolerated. Okay, yeah. We're fine. Okay, let's keep going. I just want them to tag this high, then we can like exit the live stream, because I guess that's enough for today. You can see during 9:30 what happened. Like, 9:30 was so clean. Like, you can see during 9:30 price shot upwards, but I've come to notice like this 9:30 price action, it can sometimes be frustrating, okay? Because check, like during 9:30 we shot upwards, then we came down, we consolidated around that first presented fair value gap, okay? You can see, then we came back to this fair value gap over here, then we tanked, took out this sell side liquidity, then we came around this area, but we missed that sell side liquidity, right? But check, compare these two price action, because I've noticed one thing. Like, from 9:30 up to like 11, there is a market maker model that is formed. Like, this is awesome. You can see, look at this buy side of this curve. This is the sell side of the curve. Now look at the buy side of the curve. It's like you can see the difference. Over here they are holding, then tanking it so fast while holding it. This can be confusing. If you don't know what you're doing, this can be confusing. Like, for me myself, it makes me impulse. Like, the 9:30 manipulation makes me impulsive, so I prefer these after 9:30, like 30 minutes after 9:30, we get some clean price action. You can see, okay, you can see this price action is so clean. It's so clean. You can see it took out this low, bang. The 15 minutes is so clean. Okay, you can see we just tagged this high, we just tagged that high in the 15 minutes. Let's see, we just tagged that high. Let's see price tag it fully. We just tagged this high is tagged. Okay, take out that high. So I think in the next 15 minutes price will come back to this area here before we can start going up again. I think this is an area of interest. You can see in the 15 minutes time frame, these are very important area. Okay, for the impulsive, we can get some retracement down, then an impulsive move up. Okay. Today, like, I'm so happy that like today we've not disconnected even once. Like, this is so awesome. Like, I'm getting better at this. I'm getting better at this, and I'm very thankful for that. Okay, live streaming. I used to think live streaming was an easy thing. I didn't know this. They was setting up various things, like you have to set up the streaming app, you have to connect them with YouTube, you have to have a good like network, like it's a lot of things, but we are catching up. Okay, we are catching up. All right, we just tagged our TP, like we just hit that level. Yeah, you can see it. We just hit it with a micro peep, like a micro point, like you can see. Like we just swept that high up, the eyed high, okay. So from there, I guess that's the point where one should take their TP, like staying in the market past that point. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. So I guess that's enough for today, and I'm really grateful that you showed up, bro. Shout out to my boys like Tesh and Jaymant, manze. Shukran for locking in, manze. It means a lot, bro. It means a lot. So yeah, that's it for today, man. That's it for today. Yeah, update. Let's check this my dashboard. Like, even if they're trying to like mess with my trades, we're around like minus 500. This is 2%. We can handle this. Let's check the stats. You can see like my stats, like minus 69. Like this, I don't think this minus 69 is fair. This 286 and this 264. Yeah, that I took those losses. But this minus 69, yeah, I took that sell, yeah. But as I was intending to like buy. So I guess the slowness of the trading site made me like execute without like reasoning properly, but that's not a problem. This is a small loss. It should not be making us trip. I guess the problem is the outcome of the trade. Like it's a long trade, but it just unfolded how we were planning. So today we are like at minus 2%. Like, yeah, that's basically minus 2%. That's minus 2%. Minus 2%, minus $566, and we have a $50,000 account. That's not a big deal. That's just one good trade, and we are out of that drawdown. Okay, just one good trade, and we are out. A good trade, and we are out of that trade. It's a two-step V-line. No problemo. Okay. So it's all right. Let's log out of this, and we'll come back tomorrow and keep trying again. Okay, until we get everything right, we get everything in order. Okay, we're just starting, bro. And you're welcome, bro. Until next time, man. See ya.